Welcome to BellyBreath, your sanctuary for self-love and inner peace. Before we begin, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you these guided meditations. Now, let's start this journey together. Find a spot where you can relax, whether seated or lying down. Adjust yourself gently, allowing your body to settle comfortably. When you're ready, close your eyes softly. Begin by turning your attention inward, noticing the rhythm of your breath and the sensations in your body. With each inhale, let your belly rise, and with each exhale, allow it to fall gently. Feel the gentle pull of gravity anchoring you, the sensation of being fully present in your body, right here, right now. Whatever you observe within, meet it with a gentle awareness, embracing it with acceptance and appreciation. Allow any thoughts, feelings, or sensations to surface with compassion towards yourself. Now, picture a soft golden light surrounding you, forming a warm, protective cocoon. This light represents pure, unconditional love and acceptance. As you inhale, draw this golden light into your body, filling every cell with warmth. As you exhale, let the light radiate throughout your being, continuing this cycle as we move through the meditation. Focus on your heart, located at the center of your chest. Visualize a small, glowing ember deep within. This ember represents your inner guide, your true self, always present, always loving. As you connect with your heart, feel the presence of this inner guide. Begin to see yourself through their eyes, where you are seen as perfect and whole, exactly as you are. You are viewed with unwavering, unconditional love. Tap into a deep yearning within you, a longing to reconnect with this truth. that you're worthy of love and acceptance just as you are. As this desire grows, know that your inner guide is ready to assist you in expressing your true self, step by step. Feel deeply grateful for this loving presence within you, your inner guide, who is delighted that you are ready to embrace yourself fully without judgment. Now, affirm to yourself, I accept myself as I am right now in this moment. Notice a warm, loving sensation growing within, as if you are falling in love with your essence. Consider a part of yourself, an interest, a talent, or a passion that you've kept hidden or set aside. Visualize this aspect of you as a vibrant symbol before you, something that yearns to be expressed. Imagine a glowing flame, a brilliant magenta color, rising up around both you and this symbol. Let this flame merge with the soft golden light around you, infusing it with the energy of expression and creativity. As you look at this symbol, silently say, I'm sorry I haven't expressed you more. I forgive myself for holding you back. I welcome you now. With your next deep breath, imagine this flame and symbol merging into your heart. As you exhale with a sigh, feel yourself reintegrating this aspect of yourself with love and acceptance. Recognize that each of us is a unique piece of a beautiful puzzle, and when we express our true selves, we contribute to the wholeness of the world. Commit to honoring your true self today, allowing yourself to express yourself. Take a deep breath, filling your lungs and belly. Hold this breath at the top, and when you're ready, exhale with a sigh, promising yourself to be gentle, accepting, and compassionate toward your body and spirit. Carry with you the feelings of acceptance and enthusiasm for expressing your true self. Slowly, roll your shoulders, wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. returning to the world around you. You are amazing just as you are, and we're so glad you're here with us today. Remember, the world needs you to be fully yourself. Your journey of self-discovery and expression is a gift to yourself and the world. If you enjoyed this meditation, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.